Hi, this is John with WTI. And again, with another everyday commute earbuds. These are the JBL True Wireless earbuds. So some of the best things that I've found from this wireless true earbuds is the sound. They're well-rounded, bass, treble, sounds and vocals are really good, but they have the sponge bass that you would need in a true wireless earbud. Something I liked about them too is about the fit. Most of the earbuds, they have a funny feeling in my ears. I don't know if my ears are a problem or the earbuds, but don't worry. If you get the right ear tips, size ear tips, and you rotate them a little bit, they just get a secure look. And this is exactly what you want to buy a earbuds like this. You can use them to work, you can use them to your everyday commute, workouts, and all these different situations. So you're going to be well fitted right here. If you're looking for a great earbuds, well-rounded, they're not going to be lacking in other things. This one's from JBL are really good. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.